guys, this is Stephanie from Indulge Now, and today I want to share with you some of the absolute best exercises to do for addressing lower back pain. Whether you have low back pain, you've had it, or you want to prevent from getting it, these are the best exercises to address it. As a physical therapist, you want to make sure you're doing two things. Number one, stretching your back and leg muscles. Number two, strengthening your core abdominal muscles that will help provide stability for your lower back. You don't need any equipment, just grab a mat and let's get started. The first exercise is a great stretch for the hamstrings and it strengthens your core. We're going to alternate between a downward dog stretch and a plank on our hands. Here we go. So you'll start out here in a plank position, hands directly under the shoulders, feet in a straight line with the body here, like so. Holding the plank for a second, then we're going to shift our weight back to our toes for a downward dog stretch, just to here. You want your back to be in like an inverted V position, so really try and reach your hips up to the ceiling here and shift your weight back into your heels. Hold it for a few seconds, then come back out to the plank, which we'll hold for a few seconds again, and then shift it back. The second one is a great Pilates-based exercise for strengthening your core. It's called the hundreds. You're going to be doing a crunch while you pulse the arms 100 times to really work endurance for your core muscles. Let me show you. Lying down on your back, legs are going to be up in a tabletop position, meaning about 90 degrees bend and the knees directly above the hips. When you're ready, your arms are going to be straight at your side, but lifted off the mat a few inches, and then we're going to go into a crunch. Here we go. Crunch it up. Hold it here as we pulse the arms. Breathing in and out. So it's in and out. Keep pulsing the arms from the shoulders here. That's 30. Keep it going. 40. Keeping the belly pulled toward the spine. That's 50. Halfway there. 60. 70. Make sure you're keeping your chin tucked here. That way your neck doesn't hurt. Almost done. There's 90. And 100. Great job. Now, if you need a modification for that, you can always have the legs down and just do that in this position here to make it easier if you need to. The next one's going to be a side plank, also great for working lumbar stability and strengthening your core. We're going to come down onto one elbow or the forearm. Legs will be straight. This hand can go on top of the hips. When you're ready, you're going to lift up to a side plank. While you're there, this one you can do little pulses, so like down in that movement with the hips, just going about an inch or two up and down. This exercise really works your core, but you're also going to feel it in the bottom glute area and in the whole shoulder area as you stabilize on that one arm. So keep the pulses going here. If for some reason this is too difficult, you can always hold it still, or you can do the easier version, which is on your knees. That's going to look like this. Pop it up, hold it there, or do the pulses here. Now I mentioned it's very important to stretch your back. We're going to do so now. We're going to be doing a side bending stretch. This is really great at stretching those deep muscles in your lower back. Let's start on one side. You're going to come down onto the hand. The feet are going to be crisscrossed. So the top foot is in front, the bottom foot is in back. You're going to pop up into a side plank position, but you're going to make an arch. This is called a side bend. You want to arch your body, trying to lift your hips to the ceiling. This is a really great stretch for the side of your torso here, all the way up through the shoulder. Drop the head and just take some deep breaths here. If for some reason that's too hard, the bottom knee can bend down, the top leg will still be straight, and you can do a side bend here as well. That's your modified version. Great work, you guys. I hope you enjoyed these exercises for lower back pain presented by Indulge Now. I'm Stephanie, and I'll see you next time.